Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Tuna to lettuce no chaahan. It's fried rice with tuna and lettuce. I know you normally have lettuce fresh, but the cooked one is as good as fresh one. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the fried rice, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 600 grams of cooked Japanese rice, the one you cooked earlier of the day or on the day before. Freshly cooked rice is too moist and too good for fried rice. Some lettuce, canned tuna. This one is 80 grams per can and it's in oil, not in brine. 4 eggs, some salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon each of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, garlic paste, and soy sauce. Let's separate the tuna and the oil. The tuna in Japan is flaky. If you are using chunky tuna, just flake it into little pieces. Here's the oil. Beat the eggs in a little bowl. Let's cut the lettuce. To remove the core, smash it. And you can easily remove it. Then just cut it into little pieces. It's a lot of lettuce, but it will shrink. Heat a frying pan over high heat, like smoking hot. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and the oil from the tuna. Add the eggs, mix with big stroke. And before the egg is completely cooked, add the rice. Once the egg is well cooked, all the seasonings. Garlic paste, the soup stock, soy sauce, some salt and pepper to your taste. Then the tuna and the lettuce. Keep cooking until the lettuce is wilted. Try not to overcook it. You want to enjoy the texture. Okay, turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. Some black pepper if you like. And ツナとレタスのチャーハン is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The oil of the canned tuna adds so much umami and depth to the dish. And the lettuce, it's still crisp. You can still feel the texture and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ツナとレタスのチャーハン goes here. And how about オクラとわかめのスープ here? The fried rice contains enough protein, so let's pass the main. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have carrot salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.